शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुर्कामार्थसिद्धये आयुर्कामार्थसिद्धये। प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्। शिरसा देवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुर्कामार्थसिद्धये आयुर्कामार्थसिद्धये। गजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननं महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। सुमुखश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो गणाधिपः चन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डशूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बस्कन्दपूर्वज आयुर्कामार्थसिद्धये आयुर्कामार्थसिद्धये। वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा निर्विघ्नं गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतकाल शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः। गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं गणपतिमिति गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां कविगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तम कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तमम् कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तममित्युपमश्रवस्तमम्.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, teachers, and my dear friends. Different is this evening. Dear audience, you will yourself discover as the colors of cultural feast unfold. Well, first and foremost, I, Nida Khurshid, on behalf of the principal, teaching staff and students, welcome you all to the 7th annual Foundation Day of the Guwahati College of Architecture.
I, Avijay Chandan, and our college fraternity feel honored to have with us the Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Uday Gadkari, the President of Council of Architecture. Sir, you hardly need an introduction. You have made all of us proud by your distinguished work in numerous capacities. I thank him for making his presence despite his busy schedule. We are also proud to have our guest of honor, Shri Pradyut Kumar Goswami, the Vice Chancellor of Assam Science and Technology University. He being a man of distinct vision and fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience and inspiration to all of us. His presence is always a moral boost to us.
We are honored to have with us our respected trustees, Architect Abani Das and Srimati Daksha Das, our principal, Architect Sheikh Nawaz Ali, and our head of the department, Architect Mrinal Philhua. Now, we will have our traditional auspicious lighting of the lamp ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. The lamp lighting will be done by our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Uday Gadkari, our guest of honor, Shri Pradyut Kumar Goswami, Managing Trustees, Architect Abani Das and Srimati Daksha Das, our Principal, Architect Sheikh Nawaz Ali, and our Head of the Department, Architect Mrinal Philhua. Sirs and ma'ams, please. The lighting of the lamp will be followed by Ganesh Vandana and invocation to Lord Ganesha, the god of all beginnings.
ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्।